Hello, hi. This video is about creating a database on a table. In this video, I'm going to use the same database which I have used previously, which is books database. And these are the commands and functions I'm going to use. Reverse command, upper, lower, char length, distance, order by, limit, like, count, group by, minimum and maximum. Over here, aggregate functions are minimum, maximum and count. These are the aggregate functions. So how about we get started? Select reverse. I'm going to use Sky Freak. So the whole sentence is in a reverse order. How about we try with other reverse trash. I'm gonna say reverse flash over here. Yeah. Okay. Select reverse. Hello world. And you can see everything is in a reverse order. Cool. So this is about the reverse command. Why don't we use the next command? Okay, I'll use the next command. Select upper sky higher fake. So everything would be in uppercase. The output will be in uppercase. As you can see, the syntax was in lowercase and over here the output is in uppercase. How about with this? Run. So the word flashes in uppercase. Okay. Select lower. Now this is going to be in lowercase. It's not in capital letters. Okay. Let's try with another one. Okay. From capital letters to lowercase and small letters. So this is about upper command and lower command. Next we're going to check with minimum and maximum. Let us check with minimum and maximum. Select minimum. the first name from books. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The characters are 5 letters. However, we check for the whole table. Select all from books. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? However, we check with pages. So before that, we're going to check which is the minimum one. 158 would be the output. See, we got minimum. Check with maximum. .428 is the maximum. Maximum is 428. Wait. However, we check with the stock quantity. Select minimum. Stock quantity. So the minimum would be 4. Let us see the output. So yeah, the minimum is 4. Wait. Now we'll see the maximum one. Maximum we're getting 1000. Let us cross check again. As you can see, the maximum is 1000. Cool. Next, we are going to check with the character length. So we're going to get 16. Even the spaces are included in it. So we have 16 character length. Okay. Check with another example. Oh, something is wrong. EN. We have 5 character length string. Cool. Wait. Auto first name. So it shows each and every value in the table. It's just 10 rows. First row is 6 character, 3 characters, 3 characters, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So cool. How about we check with another one? Check with the title. Which one? So the title first is 47, 14, 14, 26, 21, 33, and so on. Great. So this is about the character length. How about we check with the last name also. We'll check with the last name. Okay, with that. Cool. So we have checked with the call length, which is a character length, and then we're gonna check with next we're gonna check with this distinct. Author name, author first name. Hit run. Okay, it shows that 9 rows are affected. Actually should be 10, right? Let us cross check again with the whole table. Select from books. Hit run. So these are the 10 tables and these are the duplicate one. So it was not showing any distant is that it is not going to show you any duplicate values. So we over here we have one duplicate value, that's why it was showing only 9 rows. If the third row would be with different name, and obviously it is going to show you 10 rows. Because of one duplicate one, that's why it is going to show you 9 rows. Okay, let's try with this. Select this thing. Released here from books. I don't think so. We have any duplicate values? Do we have? Yeah, we have. 2012, 2007, 2007, 2007. So 2012 and 2007. So it says that 8 was affected. So 2012 and 2007. In these 2 years we have out of 2. So 2 duplicate values are available in the table. Let us try with another. Select distant, cat, author, first name, author, last name. Index. So over here, author first name and author last name is going to combine, and then in this it is not going to show you any duplicate values if it is available only. Okay, now it shows 9 rows are affected. So why it is showing 9 rows, why it is not showing 10 rows? Because as you have seen before, J, like 13 rows, like 13 reasons why title and the author name, we have a duplicate value. Let's cross check again. The whole table. Let's cross check again with the whole table. So as you can see, 13 reasons why J. So this one is a duplicate value. So that's why it was not showing the duplicate value. It was showing only the 9 rows. It was not showing 10 rows completely, because in the table we have a duplicate value, duplicate row. Okay. So this is about the distinct command is for not showing the duplicate values at all. So let's go with the another command. Graph name from books, order by author first name, run it. So the author first name is in ascending order. We'll see with the title. Order by title. Oops. So everything is in ascending order. However, we check with the descending order. Select title from books, order by title, descending order. Run it. So everything is in descending order. So let us try with some more examples. The first name from books, order by the first name, descending order. So this is in descending order. Cool. We'll try with another one. Author first name, author last name from books, the first name. Let's see what is output. Okay, it shows error. Why it is showing error? Unknown column, author, okay, fine. Case sensitive, seriously. Should be name. Okay, we have to type correctly. If not, you're gonna get errors. Okay, so the ascending order is only for the author first name. So according to the author's first name, last name column is also shown according to the ascending order in first name. Okay, however we change it to descending order. So everything is in descending order for the first name. Cool. And this is about the order by command using ascending and descending order. So next we're going to check with another command. Select title from books, limit 3. We'll check with limit 3. So it is going to show you only 3 rows. It is going to show you only 3 rows. Okay. How about we check with limit 6. It is going to show you 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cool. So how much ever the limit you want to see in the table, you can type any number. How about limit 1? It's going to show you only the 1 row. Only 1 row. Yeah, only 1 row. How about, let's try with this 0,5. It is going to show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. So it is like from 0 row, you're saying that show me from 0 row to the 5th row. So the output would be showing you 5 rows. Okay. So this is about limit command. So let us check with another command, which is like command. So select title from books where whenever you use a like command, you're supposed to use where clause. Because why we are using where clause? Because you're just giving a certain pattern and you're saying that where you're supposed to find that thing, where you're supposed to find the value from. Okay, select title from books where title like where it starts with A. I don't think so. We have, wait, we'll check. So where it's like A and end with modulus. I don't think so. We have a title with A. Do we have? Nah, we don't have. Let's check with G. Starts with G. Yes, we have. So whenever you see a letter first and then modulus, the meaning is that the value should start with G modulus. Over here you have G modulus. So the title, wherever you see the title which is starting with G, show me that value, give me that output you're asking it. How about starts with T? So we have two titles. Great. Okay, now we're gonna check with end. Now I want the title which ends with G. So whenever you see modulus and the letter or the number, whatever it may be, when you see first is modulus and then the letter or number, you're asking over here is that show me the title which ends with G. We don't have anything. Okay. How about with R? Do we have any data? Yes, we have. So over here you can see it is ending with R. The title is ending with R. Okay. Oops. How about we change with oops, wait, we're gonna change it to the first name. We'll see what happens. So over here I'm saying that show me the output where the author first name ends with R. Do we have? No, we don't have. How about with ending with A? Yes, we have. We have 3 rows. Cool. Okay. Now we're going to check with author first last name. And we are asking that show me the author last name which is ending with R. We have two rows. Cool. The first name. Now we're going to check with modulus r modulus. So the meaning is that wherever you see the R letter in author's F name column, show me that output. So over here it shows 4 rows. We have R letter in these columns. In this column. I'm going to change the letter with A. So I'm asking over here is that show me wherever A is existing in the author last name column. Give me that output. So it gives you 10 rows, and these are the rows in author last name. So whenever you see modulus A modulus, whenever you're using modulus A and modulus, you are saying that, you are asking that, give me the output wherever you see A letter in author's last name column. So this is about the like command. So next we're going to check with different command, which is select count all from books. It says at 10. So why it is showing 10? It is saying that as we have 10 rows, so that's why it's telling us the overall table count is 10. Whenever we check with select count or the first name, from books, showing error. Why? Show warnings. So it says that count does not exist. The function name. Okay. Let me check again. Select count author first name from books. Wait, what was the difference when we compare with the previous line, previous index? I don't see any difference at all. Why it was showing previously an error and now why it is showing count? Oh my god, fine. So as we know that we have 10 rows, so that's why it's showing the count is 10. Cool. Have it back. Check like this. Select count. Distinct. For the first name. index gives 9. Why it is giving 9? Because as you know, as we are aware of that, we have one duplicate row. So it shows 9 only. Why it is showing only 9? Because we have used distinct command. Distinct command does not count the duplicate values at all. It is going to show you only the different values which are unique. So that's why the output is showing 9. If we cross check again with the overall table, it is going to show you 10, and over here this is the one which is a duplicate row. That's why whenever we use distinct command, it is over there you are not going to see any duplicate values at all. Duplicate values are not counted at all. It is not going to take any duplicate values. So that's why the output was 9. Over here it shows 10. When we run it, it shows 9 count. Okay. This is another count. And next, so we have completed with reverse, upper, lower, Charlan, distinct, order by, limit, like, count, minimum, maximum. Last we have group by. Okay. So over here, group by, whenever you see a value which is like, however, if we phrase it like we have a duplicate row, and it is going, and whenever you use a group by command, it is going to show you only one row effect. Let me show you with an example over here. Select title, select title. So what we're going to take, select, every time we're going to take title only. Okay, we'll take title and author name, and then okay, right, title, I would do select all from books. We're gonna check that group by let's check the title only. Let's see what happens. So it is saying that 9 rules are affected. as you know that we have 10 rows. Why it is showing only 9 rows are affected? As I told you before, that as we have one row duplicate row we have. As you can see, the book ID also 1, 2, 4. So third row is not included. So whenever actually it should be 1, 2, 3, but it's not showing the third row at all because both are same. Even the third row is same and the second row is same. So it takes both the rows as one because the whole row is same. So this is how the group by command works. Whenever you see a same value in a column or completely in a row, it would consider as one only. Why it is considering as one? Because the whole row is same. So it takes both the rows as one, and it will show only 9 rows included in the table. However, I will check with the author name. What did I say? Books. Goodbye. So it shows 9 rows. Why? As we are aware of that we have one row duplicate. So that's why it is going to consider it as one. Over here J, we have another J in the third column. So as the value is same, it is going to consider it as one value itself. It is not going to consider it as two values. Okay. I'm going to check with last name. Books. Group by. Oh, it's last name, right? Make sure I type correctly. Proper name is given. If not, I'm going to face errors. So here we go. It shows 8 rows affected. Why it is showing 8 rows? Harris is a repeated one. Asher is a repeated one. Let us cross check it. Why? So we're going to check with the whole table. So as you can see, it is considering these two values as one. It is not separate at all. As the value is same, it is going to consider as one. So whenever you use a group by command, and whenever you see it in a table you have same values included in it, it is going to consider it as one because as the values are same. If the values are different, obviously it is not going to consider it as one. If the values are same only, it is going to consider it as one value. However, we check with other thing. Author, if name, comma, we're going to use count, command, and then we're going to use group by. We're going to see the count column separately. So run this line ups. So over here J is repeated twice. That's why I'm showing 2. Everything is only, it has only one value. No repeated values. Only J has repeated value. How about we cross check with the last name? So see, we have 2 values. Everything has only one value. Over here we have 2 values. Cool. So this is about group by. Group by command is a bit confusing, but if we practice and practice and practice, obviously we're gonna get it. So no worries about that. So reverse command, it reverses, obviously the string is in a reverse order. Upper, where whatever the string is converted into the uppercase. Lower command, the string is converted into the lowercase. Char length, it is going to give you the value or the string length. Distinct, it is going to give you the unique values which are not duplicate at all. Duplicate values are not counted whenever you use distinct command. Order by, this is for sorting the records in a sense, rows in descending and ascending order. Limit, so whenever you use a limit command, if you specify a certain number like limit 1, limit 2, if you specify limit 1, it is going to show you only 1 row. If you're going to specify limit 3, it is going to show you 3 rows. It depends upon the value which you give in the syntax. Like command, so in this you're giving a certain pattern for a string to find out the output. Like suppose in a string you want to find that the letter A starting with, wherever you see A letter is starting with A letter, show me that output. So it would be like A modulus. If you want to see, show me title which is ending with A, so it will be like modulus A. It's better to show again. Yeah, see, this is like ending with A. See, these are the author's first name which is ending with A, and these are the author's last name ending with R. And this is the title which is starting with G modulus, starting with G. Okay, and next goes like wherever you see A in author's last name column, show me that output, you're asking. So wherever you see the A, letter in author's last name, the whole column is going to be seen in the output. So next one is count. Count is like returning number of rows. I mean, if you're specifying that show me count of all, like count all from tables. So it is going to show you the the number is going to show you 10 because we have 10 rows and the overall count is 10 only. But suppose we use distinct command as well as the count command, so it is going to show you 9 only because in author's first name we have one duplicate value, so distinct command does not include duplicate values at all, so that's why it is going to show you 9 rows. Next comes group by. So whenever you use the group by command and in the whole table you find same values included in your columns, it is going to be considered as one. So it's like it takes both the rows as one because, for example, it's better to show the example instead of telling orally. So this is the one. It shows 9 rows affected. Why it is showing 9 rows affected? Because in author's first name we have two rows with J name. So it concludes that as 2 rows have same values, so I would be considering it as one value. So to group by function things like this. So whenever I see, so the group by function is everything, like whenever I see the 2 values, and I would consider it as one value itself because there's no difference in it. J and J are the same, so why can't I consider it as one? Yeah. So this is how. So next would be minimum and maximum. So minimum is that it is going to show you the largest value, and maximum, my bad, minimum is going to show you sorry, I'm really sorry. My bad. Minimum is going to show you smallest value, and this maximum is going to show you the largest value. Voila. So this is how it ends over here, and the video is ending up over here. So this is simple actually. As we keep on practicing it, we're gonna understand it in a better way. So I hope you like this video. See ya.